Get fine gang. Get fine gang, get fine gang, get fine gang. We are back once again. It's your girl Joy, the Fly's Vegan Chef. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm looking delicious. This food is looking delicious. And it's only one thing to do. Make the food. Come on. Listen, today we have veggie lo mein. Veggie lo mein. It's going down, sweetie. Oh my God. It's going down, sweetie. Let me get a little taste test right quick. Let me do this in front of y'all. Joy Lee at your service. Ooh. Woo! What can I say? I just don't know what to say at this point. Hop into this meal. Veggie lo mein. Get into my bowl too. I just got this. Y'all like chopsticks? Y'all gotta make this veggie lo mein. Let's hop into it. Super easy, super simple, very flavorful. Let's go. First things first, we're gonna make this sauce. We're gonna need half a cup of veggie broth, okay guys? Moving right along, 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce. Bloop bloop. Then we're also gonna need 1 tablespoon of Coconut Aminos, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Let's give that a stir. Ooh, and she right now. Moving right along, let's get into these veggies, baby. We got some ginger, some julienne carrots, because I ain't feel like doing it myself. Some green onions, bell pepper, broccoli, and you gotta have that garlic on deck, baby. So now that all of that is chopped up, fine and cute, we're ready to take it on over to these pots. Let's go, baby. Next up on the list, we're going to be making these beautiful organic Chinese lo mein noodles. All right. And we're going to start with adding some water to this pot. How much? A lot. You want the water to cover the noodles. All right. And we're just going to let that boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. Ew, she boiling, baby. We're going to go ahead and drop these bad boys right on in there. Ooh-wee. And let it boil. Now it's time to get this lo mein popping. We're going to add some nice avocado oil to the pot. Go ahead, throw in the carrot, the bell pepper, and the onion. To this, we're going to add some white pepper, a little bit of salt, and you just want to cook this down. Not all the way. You want the veggies to still have some crisp to them. We're just going to cook this down. Uh-oh. Losing broccoli. Alright, now we're going to add our ginger and our garlic right in here. Now we're going to add our noodles right back in here. Ooh. I'm just going to add that good sauce from earlier. Right in there. Stir that thing up. Get that nice brown hue on the noodles. Woo! My mouth is watering. Yes. Yes. My mouth is watering, child. Let it. Ooh, wait. Woo. All right, we're gonna plate this up now. Let's go ahead and plate this beauty up. Oh yes. Oh yes. Now it's time to garnish. Let's go ahead and throw those beautiful spring onions on top. We're also gonna just bedazzle her with some sesame seeds. Okay. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. A little more green onion. I really like green onion. All right. And there we have it. All right. We garnished with the sesame seeds. We garnished with the spring onion. And to really bring this home, guys, you got, come on now. Come on now. Let's go ahead and, ooh, throw that right in there. Cross them like that. And we in there. We all done. Let's really get into this. Whew. Chopsticks. Ooh. Oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my.